Hello, my name is Kevin McEwen, and I am so excited to introduce you to Northwestern's App Dev with Swift course. This course is designed for high school students and can also be used as an introductory course at the college level. Here at the Center for Excellence in Computer Science Education, we had 5 primary goals for this curriculum. First and foremost, our goal was to create a curriculum to expose as many students as possible to the fundamentals of computer science and programming using the Swift language. You know, Swift is a great first language to learn. It is very rich in what you can express, is open source with a huge following, and it enables you to be able to create apps for your Mac, iPhone, iPad, and even your Apple Watch. Second, we have made a significant effort to not only support students that have access to a Mac, but also to those that do not. Because Swift is open source, students can learn the language as long as they have an internet connection and a web browser. For those students that have access to the Mac, they can also develop apps for their Mac, iPhone, etc. Third, we also have designed this course to support all levels of capabilities. Some students may have already dabbled in programming and will pick up the concepts very quickly, while others, it will be a whole new experience for them. In this curriculum, we have 2 pathways, a core concepts pathway and an accelerated pathway. Fourth, our goal is to meet and exceed all of the core Chicago Public School requirements for computer science. And finally, number 5, our accelerated pathway will give the students all they need to pass the Apple Swift certification program. So let me just briefly take you through the structure of the course. This course is meant to be taught by teachers in the classroom or online in a synchronous format. The entire course is in Schoology, Canvas, and Google Classroom. The course is broken up into 3 main categories: the Swift language, developing an app using the new Swift UI, and third focuses on using cloud services to connect your app to the internet. Each major section is broken down into concepts that should be taught in a serial fashion, as they will build on each other. Concepts are clearly marked to show whether they are part of the core pathway or the accelerated pathway. And obviously, those students that are taking the accelerated curriculum will do so in addition to covering the core curriculum. Each section contains a list of learning objectives, teacher notes, presentation material for the classroom, a pedagogical video for each presentation that has yours truly not only presenting the material, but adding in commentary on potential ways you may want to engage and present to the class. Each section also includes a test your understanding quiz that can be auto-graded by the LMS in the core pathway, and essay-style quizzes for the accelerated pathway. A large portion of the class involves labs. These programming labs are focused on reinforcing the concepts presented. Our belief is that students only really learn the material if they have to apply it, so learning by doing is key. Again, there are core labs and accelerated labs. And then finally, students are grouped into teams to work on a final capstone app project. We give guidance on how to break out the teams. Each team works together on an app of their choosing and builds out the app so that they can showcase at the end of the year as a final project. So that's App Dev with Swift. I think you will really enjoy teaching this course. You know, there's nothing like watching the students struggle through a programming challenge, but finally get that eureka moment when everything starts working as they designed. If you have any questions throughout the course, need some help during the delivery, or have suggestions for improvements, please do not hesitate to reach out to me. You can find me on the CECSE Slack channel as well as by email. That information is in the video description.